You are being ripped off by your own television setup right now, and you do not even realize it. For years, Apple has let you sit there using outdated technology in your living room. They happily sold you new iPhones, new iPads, and new MacBooks every single year. But when it came to the biggest screen in your house, they completely ignored you. They let giant companies like Amazon, Google, and Roku take over your TV with cheap, slow, plastic streaming sticks. People actually started to believe that Apple was completely dead in the water when it came to home entertainment. But they were not dead. They were just quiet. They were silently working in the shadows on a massive secret project. And now, the dam has officially broken. Massive, undeniable leaks have just flooded the internet about the brand new 2026 Apple TV 4K. This is not just a software update. This is not just a new remote. This is an absolute beast of a machine that is going to completely destroy every single competitor on the market. It will turn your basic TV into a high-end gaming console, a futuristic smart home brain, and an artificial intelligence supercomputer. Grab a drink and pay very close attention, because I am about to expose every single secret Apple is trying to hide about this incredible new device. The absolute most urgent piece of news is exactly when this machine is dropping. We are right in the middle of February 2026 right now. According to the biggest and most trusted leakers at MacRumors, Apple has officially circled spring 2026 for the massive global launch. That means we are literally just a few short weeks away from this thing hitting the shelves. You might be wondering why Apple waited so long to release this. They delayed the hardware on purpose. They refused to launch a brand new physical box until their massive artificial intelligence software was absolutely perfect. Apple is completely obsessed with their new Apple Intelligence system. They knew that releasing a new Apple TV with the old, stupid software would ruin the entire launch. They wanted to hold the physical boxes in their warehouses until the brand new tvOS 26.4 software was totally finished and completely out of beta testing. Apple always puts software first. They want you to take this box home, plug it in, and experience absolute perfection on the very first day. The wait has been incredibly long, but it is officially over in just a matter of weeks. When you finally get this box in your hands, the inside is going to shock you. Bloomberg has just dropped a massive leak confirming that Apple is completely throwing away the old A15 chip from 2021. They are replacing it with the absolute monster A17 Pro chip. Yes, you heard that correctly. This is the exact same hyper-fast, super-powered computer chip that runs inside the flagship iPhone 15 Pro. Putting a smartphone super chip inside a tiny television box is a completely insane move. It gives this new Apple TV an aggressive amount of raw processing power. The current model struggles if you try to push it too hard with heavy apps. The A17 Pro completely fixes that. In fact, it is a lot more than just fix it. This chip turns the Apple TV into a legitimate, stealthy gaming console. Game developers are going to bring massive, beautiful, highly detailed video games directly to your television. You will not need to spend hundreds of dollars on a giant Xbox or PlayStation anymore. You can simply connect your favorite wireless controller and play heavy games right through this little Apple box. It completely changes what an Apple TV is actually built for. But having a massive engine means absolutely nothing if you're driving on a dirt road. To push all that gaming and artificial intelligence power, you need a flawless internet connection. This brings us to a highly secret supply chain leak. Apple is secretly putting their custom N1 chip directly into this new model. This specific chip unlocks full, native Wi-Fi 7 support. If you do not know what Wi-Fi 7 is, get ready to be amazed. It is the absolute fastest, most stable wireless internet technology ever created. It completely murders the spinning loading wheel forever. When you want to watch a massive, heavy 4K movie, it will load instantly with absolutely zero buffering. When you use AirPlay to mirror a video from your iPhone to your TV, there will be zero delay. But the real secret reason Apple is adding Wi-Fi 7 is for your smart home. Apple wants this new TV box to be the permanent brain of your entire house. To do that safely, it needs an invisible, unbreakable connection to your internet router. Wi-Fi 7 guarantees that your smart door locks, your security cameras, and your living room lights will react the exact millisecond you speak to them. It will be the most reliable home hub ever built. Apple is also completely changing the way your eyeballs actually see the content on the screen. Brilliant tech analysts at 9 to 5 Mac have discovered that the 2026 Apple TV will support highly advanced AV1 decoding. This sounds like confusing technical jargon, but it is a massive deal for your daily life. AV1 is a special type of video format. It allows huge streaming platforms to beam incredibly crisp, high-definition 4K video directly to your television while using a tiny fraction of your internet data. It makes every single movie look sharper and much smoother. It will completely leave Amazon and Google streaming sticks in the dust. But there's a much bigger secret hidden inside this feature. Apple is aggressively looking at the future of mixed reality. They are quietly preparing this new Apple TV to process heavy cloud media and intense virtual reality content. AV1 decoding is the exact magic key needed to build a flawless, invisible bridge between your living room television and the Apple Vision Pro headset. They are future-proofing this tiny box for the next 10 years of spatial computing. Now, we need to talk about the absolute craziest leak of the entire year. We need to talk about the price tag. Historically, the Apple TV has always been viewed as a rich person's toy. It was always way too expensive for a normal family to buy just to watch Netflix. Apple is finally going to destroy that narrative completely. The newest leaks indicate a highly aggressive two-tier pricing strategy. For the very first time in history, Apple is going to drop a cheap base model priced right around the $100 mark. This is an absolute market killer. A brand new, hyper-fast Apple product for just $100 is going to cause a massive panic at Roku and Amazon. Millions of people will rush out to buy this. But Apple is also taking care of the massive tech nerds. They're going to release a premium, high-end version as well. This Pro model will have massive internal storage, the fastest possible networking ports, and exclusive features for heavy users. Giving customers a clear choice based on their exact budget is the smartest thing Apple has done in a very long time. All of this incredible hardware means nothing without a genius brain running it. The brand new tvOS 26.4 update is going to completely change how you talk to your television. Let us be completely honest, Siri has been an absolute joke on the TV for years. You ask it to find a comedy, and it totally fails. That era of frustration is dead. Apple Intelligence is giving Siri a massive, human-like brain transplant. You will not have to speak like a robot anymore. You can hold a microphone and say, "Show me those incredibly fun science fiction movies from the last 3 years that look amazing in Dolby Vision, but only show me the ones that are perfectly safe for my children." The new Apple TV will instantly understand that highly complex, multi-layered question. It will seamlessly scan through every single streaming app you pay for and give you the exact perfect list of movies. Finding something to watch on a lazy Sunday will finally take 5 seconds instead of 30 minutes of endless scrolling. There's one more totally wild leak from Mark Gurman that proves Apple wants to completely own your living room. Apple is actively exploring a way to bring a native FaceTime and camera experience directly to your television. We do not know if they will build a tiny camera right into the box, or if they will use software to perfectly link your iPhone camera to the screen. But the goal is clear. They want to turn your big screen into a massive communication window. You will be able to sit on your couch and have a life-size video call with your parents across the country. It will also be an absolute game changer for people who work from home. You could take professional, high-quality video meetings right from your living room. To make all of this ecosystem magic work, Apple is also adding deep hardware optimizations like proper HDMI pass-through, so your expensive soundbars and gaming receivers work flawlessly with zero setup yada. Cheese. Before I give you my final verdict on this insane new machine, I have a massive announcement for you guys. I am currently running a huge international giveaway on this channel. I am giving away a brand new, incredibly powerful M4 Pro Mac Mini to one absolutely lucky subscriber. This is a monster computer, and I'm giving it away completely free as soon as this channel hits 800,000 subscribers. Entering this giveaway is incredibly simple. First, you must be subscribed to the channel. Second, you need to share this exact video with your friends and family right now to help us reach that huge goal. Third, I want you to go down into the comments right now and tell me exactly what piece of technology you're hoping to buy in 2026. Do you want the new Apple TV? Are you waiting for a new MacBook Pro? Or maybe you just want a Nintendo Switch too? Put it in the comments below. Once we hit that massive subscriber milestone, I will post a dedicated video with a simple form for you to fill out. Also, please listen to me very carefully. There are a lot of nasty scammers in the comments trying to impersonate me. They will ask you to message them on WhatsApp or Telegram. Please completely ignore them and report them immediately. I will never ask you to message me on a random app. In my absolute best and honest opinion, you would be making a terrible mistake if you bought a streaming device today. The current Apple TV is old news, and the cheap competitor sticks are incredibly slow. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is not just a tiny step forward. It is a massive, violent leap into the future. The terrifying speed of the A17 Pro chip, the flawless streaming of Wi-Fi 7, and the true genius of Apple Intelligence make this the most important living room tech in over a decade. It will be your gaming console, your smart home brain, and your movie theater all in one device. And if that $100 price tag is true, it is the greatest bargain in the history of Apple. Keep your money in your wallet, wait just a few more weeks for the spring launch, and buy the device that will completely rule your home for the next decade. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that. See you in the next one.